Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the One Piece Odyssey game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings for the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up One Piece Odyssey on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, in order to customize your control settings, just pause the game by pressing the Start button, and then navigate over to Setting. From here, you will need to go into the Remap Keys option, where you can change the buttons for both your keyboard and mouse, as well as your controller. If you go into Controller, you can press whichever button you wish to reassign, and once it flashes, you can press your desired button. Once you have remapped all of your keys, you can go back, and if you go into Keyboard and Mouse, you can once again do the same. Go into any control that you wish to change, press the Enter button, and once the button flashes, you can press your desired new key. Once you are done, you can just go back, and your changes will be saved. And now you can continue to play with your customized control settings. You can change this at any point of time by once again following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the One Piece Odyssey game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.